In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own password in Teamviewer, ensuring a more secure and personalized experience for your remote connections. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, let's locate the Teamviewer icon. You'll typically find this icon nestled in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen, right near where the clock is located. Now, this spot is a bit tucked away, so take a moment to ensure you're in the right place. Once you find the Teamviewer icon, go ahead and double-click it. This will open up the main Teamviewer window, putting us one step closer to securing your connections with a personal password. With the Teamviewer window open, direct your attention to the upper right corner. Here you'll notice a small gear icon, which symbolizes Settings. Clicking on this gear icon will open the Settings menu, unveiling the options we need to configure your personal password. The settings window that pops up might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we're focused on just one area here. Look for the tab labeled Advanced. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Show Advanced Options. This action will expand the settings menu, revealing additional options that are typically hidden to keep things simple for everyday users. As you scroll through these advanced settings, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Personal Password. It's here that we'll be setting up your own password. You'll find two fields where you need to type in your desired personal password. First, enter your chosen password in the initial field. Then, in the subsequent field, re-enter the same password to confirm it. This step helps ensure that there are no typos and that the password you choose is exactly what you intended. Once you've filled in both fields with your password, the final step is to save and activate your new settings. To do this, simply click the OK button. This will confirm your action, saving the password you've just set, and activate the personal password protection for your Teamviewer sessions. And that's it! You've successfully created a personal password in Teamviewer. This small change will significantly enhance the security of your remote connections by ensuring that your designated password is needed before access is granted. Remember to choose a strong password and keep it secure to maintain a high level of protection. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your Teamviewer usage both secure and seamless.